leaving the shop here. Washed a couple trucks.
Who's getting the game?
Looks like I'm gonna get the game. I hand the camera off to the boss man here.
What's going on, fellas? Luge.
Hello, camera. Oh, alright. We're back at her again here.
Why we had a fucking quarter tank all of a sudden?
Running out of fuel.
Jesus.
Look out.
Big fucking Dodge. Oh, a little racer.
Got a little ricey-do here. Speed Damon. Oh, we got on her a little bit for us. I like it. I like it a lot.
Oh, little Challenger.
Oh, I think it's smoking a little bit, guys. Oh, where'd it go? Oh boy.
That smells good.
Yeah, well, at least it smells like fuel. Hey, we're going over some bumpy here. What's up, buddy?
Not oil.
No, don't smell like oil, huh?
No, it's not too bad.
Okay.
Not right now. Wait till it gets a little hotter.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, now what road is this, John?
Lakeland Boulevard.
We're on Lakeland Boulevard here, out in Ohio. You ever see us around? Oh, we usually do that. So.
We got a little buddy here.
We got a buddy. Let me see if he wants to be on camera here. Some good audio in there.
A little whistling.
Yeah, this thing's a whistler.
She's a whistler. Getting a lot of wind noise in this guy here. Trying to keep it away from the window for you guys here. Getting on 90. Oh, a little.
Dude's just fucking hanging out, smoking cigars. Holy fuck! That thing's gonna blow, dude.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Folks, we might have just
Something ain't right.
oh man.
Dude, that does not smell good.
No. Wow. It's I think it's struggling a little bit. I can hear it. It does not sound right. But I think it's cherry though. You can buy that truck for 2 short payments of $15,000.
Yeah, that's all. Where's this dude going? I don't know.
Looks like he's just
Yeah, iffy. Extremely iffy.
good. What light came on?
What?
You said light came on? You said never seen that light?
No, see how there was only one arrow?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
The traffic light.
Yeah, okay. I thought that's what you were talking about. And I was like, look, I thought you were looking at the dash. Chart Township limit here. Buddy.
Do we need to go to Sheets or not?
What do we need? What do we need from Sheets?
I don't know.
Oh, then why the fuck do you want to go to Sheets?
I was gonna get some drinks, but
That works. Alright, we can get drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's
I
get
didn't know
some.
if we were hanging out at your house or my house or what.
Either way, whatever.
Yeah, it looks like we're gonna have to watch Bear tonight, boys.
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
So.
How fucking smoky was that shit if the turbo didn't fucking kick in?
Smoky,
It
bro.
was dumping.
Was that to the floor?
Yeah, it was just dumping and then the turbo kicked in and then it was good.
That's
Yeah,
fun.
yeah, that was
That was actually to the
Smoky
floor?
like a motherfucker.
That was to the floor.
Like I said, the turbo did not kick in at first.
Oh shit.
And then the turbo kicked in and then we fucking had the sauce.
That's some sounds.
It
yeah.
was like limo, dude. It was just straight porn fuel.
It was coming out. We could see her.
Yeah.
We got her on the video here.
From my point of view, I couldn't see my trailer.
Damn. Yeah, that's pretty smoky.
Yeah, the whole road was pretty well blacked out. I don't know how good I got it on the video here, but.
But, alright, this is back.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Better not show my phone, I'll be getting in trouble. Oh, we're on the brakes hard, boys. Whoa. Uh-oh. On the throttle hard too, apparently. It's a good Mexican restaurant. We don't advertise, but yeah. Oh, yeah. It ain't going nowhere, but it is smoking. What do we get up to? 30 mile an hour right there?
And I've never tried keeping up with this modern age. I've never been any other way than I am. No, I've never been any other way than I am today.
I think that trainee's cooked. Oh yeah.
The same old jeans and I comb my hair the same.
Curved it there.
Well, my shirt's got some holes in my boots and half a sole.
Well,
but I'm
folks, we're at Sheets. That's the end of this video because what we're going to do later might be slightly illegal. Yeet. Here we are rolling past the cone.
Oh, look at that. Look at that nice fucking truck in there.
Oh yeah.
A nice
truck
6.0.
back there. Look at that line. Yeah. Old school
Here we
there.
go.
There we go. We got to get up the hill with no turbo in the Dodge. Oh my.
That
horses, fellas. We got a smoker. Wow.
That's real bad.
Wow.
Dude.
It's bad. I think the truck's
That's just
pretty
gonna
well
turn
done.
away real quick.
You just gotta be careful she don't run away on them here.
Ooh, that doesn't smell good.
All we gotta do is make it back on. Let me put my lottery tickets back here. What the fuck was that? I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Dude, that's not good. Maybe we should switch.
Hi.
Dude, shut
Wait.
it down.
This train is is he calling it?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Shut it down.
Are you gonna make it, buddy? You gonna make it?
Yeah, I'll make it.
What are your EGTs at? What the fuck are your EGTs at?
Oh. Progress, folks. Got lots of shit here. Hey, Vaughn. What happened back there, bud?
Well, when I said I wanted a barbecue, I didn't mean under the hood there. Yeah, it's all black.
It's
Everything.
Everything's black.
Everything. It's like, it's cooked black.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
I gotta go look.
Just fuck. Oh, I'm fucking hungry.
Let's go take a look so we're gonna eat here soon. Is the food here yet?
It's fucked. I don't know what's fucked. It's fucked.
It's fucked. We heard.
It had to be. You see all the hill jacks at the corner?
Yeah.
Oh,
That whole party going.
Oh, was there?
Yeah, and it just. I could not see you guys.
No, we couldn't see you either. I couldn't even see the trailer.
I think it's fucked, dude. Well, you know, two birds with one stone. Now we get fucking. We got a fixed door, a clean Dodge, and a fucking second jet swap coming out.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's fucked, dude.
Yeah. We may or may not have ate things a little smoky in there. I don't know if you
Don't look that bad.
really see. Let me turn this.
What if you
brighten her up a little bit?
Isn't all this shit like fucking melted?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think that'll smell good. A little bit. Here, I'll give you the camera. Get look at her there. Doesn't look that fucked.
No?
It's a little leaky.
Yeah.
Please tell me you got some of that on camera.
Almost all of it, yeah.
I got a solid Snapchat too.
Typical Dodge for you.
Yeah.
So his boost was at nothing?
Literally no boost at all.
Not gaining boost.
Nope.
This thing doesn't look totally, like, I don't know.
Oh, I could hear it screaming too. You could hear the turbo spool up and all. From the... Must be
How's your
massive
tranny?
exhaust leak.
Training was fine.